It's not your usual launch, guys. And that's a live performance waiting for all of you there.
At syempre po, mas enjoyable kapag kasama natin yung friends at family natin. Kaya, see you all at Escolta!
Wait lang, pero guys, sa lahat ng activities sa Escolta, ano yung pinaka-excited kayong gawin?
Ang hirap pumili!
Pero parang excited ako sa lahat. Kasi syempre, playground natin yun eh. Ikaw ba, Ate Ella?
Maybe for me, super excited ako sa pop-up kasi ang daming anik-anik and cute and cool stuff, you know? And there's something that talaga po for everyone, so I'm so excited.
Ako naman as a fashion girly, very, very excited ako sa FitPix activations. Yung parang mag-picture ako, #OOTD. Ganon.
Tama. Ako naman, excited ako mag-TikTok around Escolta. Hindi mawawala yun sa akin. At for sure sa inyo din. TikTok!
Ako, feel ko susugurin ko yung kainan doon. Ito talaga yun eh.